Hello and welcome to Summit. Summit is a tool designed to help you find and understand scientific research on any topic. I'm Nick Morley, and Summit was built by myself and Konrad Zhezhnizhak from the Grounded AI team. Our goal is to bring the benefits of AI to people's work to help us achieve more. The problem we're trying to solve is how to provide more fluent access to information. Access to scientific information plays a vital role in informing decision-making and driving progress in many fields of work. Whether you're a researcher, a student, a professional, or simply looking to learn more about the world, better access to scientific information is a major advantage. However, finding and understanding research papers is a time-consuming and complex process. It's difficult to get an overview of the research landscape, and the chances of missing important information are high. That's where Summit comes in. Summit helps you find relevant research papers and get an overview of what the research says. Let's say I want to learn about the effects of sun on mood. Here we're using a semantic search approach, which means we're leveraging the meaning and context of the search query in order to provide more targeted and relevant results. The summary feature brings together information from the top most relevant papers to provide a concise overview of what the research says in relation to my query. It also includes references and links to the original papers so that the user can trace and verify the information. The topic map feature helps users understand the research landscape. Keywords and topics are grouped by color to show groups of ideas that are discussed often in relation to each other. Summit also highlights keywords in research papers. This guides the user's attention and helps them decide which papers to pursue in greater depth. The topic map also provides an interface to drill down into more specific areas. This is a feature we want to work on next. Some other ideas for future improvement include more advanced filtering and sorting options and a greater degree of personalization, which tailors the summary to the individual based on their needs and background. For search, we implemented a database of PubMed abstracts and mapped them to Cohere embeddings for the relevance lookup. For the summarization component, we had to overcome some limitations of current language models. For example, the context length limitation and the ability to cite source material. In order to do this, we separated the summarization process into several steps. First, we built a method to extract the main points from each paper, and then a method to integrate these points into a final summary. For both of these, we used the Cohere generation API. This required curating examples to fine-tune the models. We also developed heuristics to help map the content from the final summary back to key points from the original papers. To build the topic map, we used the Cohere generation API to output a list of keywords for each document. We then analyzed co-occurrence of those keywords throughout the search results. We then applied a network clustering algorithm to delimit the topic areas. To expose it to users, we built a web app with a JavaScript front end and a Python backend. Summit has potential value for a wide range of users whose work relies on research papers, including academic institutions, research and development companies, consulting firms, think tanks, government agencies and policymakers, even journalists and media outlets. It distinguishes itself from competitor interfaces, such as those offered by PubMed itself or Semantic Scholar, in, first of all, the quality of search results due to the reliance on state-of-the-art semantic search, but also the emphasis on features that allow the user to quickly get an overview of the research space on any topic. To make Summit accessible to as many users as possible, we plan to offer a limited freemium model with premium features available for a fee. Premium features may include unlimited searches, access to a broader and deeper analysis of the research space, the inclusion of full text in the analysis, whereas the free version is limited to abstracts, the ability to export the data in a variety of useful formats, making it easier for users to share and integrate the research into their own work, integration with other tools such as citation management or collaboration platforms, and indexing of custom datasets and in-house deployment. Our plan for Summit is to focus on providing users with a valuable and convenient research tool that helps them get the best information in the most understandable way.